in St. Louis, recalled after the injury to Pierre-Olivier Joseph last night. With Drawn and Garrett Wilson up front, Louis Belpedio and Hunter McDonald on defense. The T-Birds from the get-go here tonight. And so a much more, I was going to say timid start tonight. And so a much more, I was going to say timid ball two. And off we go. Sam Bitten gets a couple of rights in immediately. Sawyer Bolton hit the deck but got back to his skates, and now Sawyer comes back with a couple of rights himself. He switched to the left, but Sam getting some right hands in. This one not quite as chaotic as the Wilson scrap with Bitten was, but Bolton and Bitten both getting some good rights in. Bolton's helmet is still attached to his cuff. Hasn't been able to shake it loose. Boy, they're still going. Exchanging some right hooks. No one's really connected heavily just yet. Oscar Eklund, and now behind the defense, camping out is Lixell. Foley Lixell in, glove save, Colton Ellis. What a first. The other side of the ice, Belpedio up into the play in center, and Tucker lowers the boom in the neutral zone, and we're going to get another scrap from it. As Gardner sticks up for Belpedio, and Tucker hit illegally. Garrett Wilson now in at the O-zone. Wilson on the backhand, slipped it in front, they score. Have to try to battle their way back. A good hip check again, that time by Skinner. Right back to Luff. Luff out to the blue line, Johannesson, a wrister into traffic, they score! Wing. Alec turns back with it, feeds in low, Sylvegard for Dvorsky, a one-timer, save made Peterson, and it's set. Aggressive read by Callan, stole the puck, Dylan Peterson in front, centers, Robertson, one-timer, save made Leslie by McDonald. Loof on the right wing, Sylvegard, will he try it again? He will, he scores! The T-Birds now caught Tuamala in right side, Tuamala centering, Bushinger made the block, rebound save made by Ellis twice. Obels slips it through Tuamala, quick shot, he scores. Tucker driving wide left wing, centers to the front, and where is it? Down deeper in the corner. Dvorsky picks it off at center. Sylvegard alone in front. He scores! Loose right along the wall. And now a shot from Jitting. Bounced in front between the legs. Oh, what a move by Lixell. He scored. Zone, Lixell steps in, one-timer to Amala, deflection, saved by Ellis, side of the net, and Colton's got it. Glass, Pekka away with it now, he'll roll it to the neutral zone with 5 seconds to play. Phantoms have to re-tag, time is gonna run out on Lehigh Valley tonight. And the T-Birds survive a last-ditch charge from the Phantoms, and are winners by a final of 4-3.